Welcome back, my fam. So we are back with another series of exciting review. So let's go right in. The PlayStation 5 Pro is here and it promises to take your gaming experience to the next level. But is the upgrade really worth it? Let's break down the top features, pros and cons so you can decide if it's time to make the leap to next gen. Let's start with the hands-on unboxing. Right out of the box, the PS5 Pro feels like a premium upgrade. Sleek design, improved cooling system, and a bulkier frame that tells you there's some serious hardware inside. From first glance, you can tell this isn't just a minor upgrade. This is a beast built for gamers looking for peak performance. Talking about performance, what's new? The PS5 Pro delivers enhanced 4K gaming with a more powerful GPU that's perfect for those who want ultra-smooth visuals and ray tracing effects. Thanks to the upgraded SSD, load times are practically non-existent. You are in the game before you even realize it. So, whether you are a fast-paced FPS or exploring an open-world RPG, the PS5 Pro ensures smoother gameplay with up to 120 FPS support. So the question, who should upgrade? If you're a hardcore gamer looking to squeeze every last drop of performance from your system, the PS5 Pro is a dream come true. Competitive gamers will love the faster frame rates and improved responsiveness. But if you are someone who's happy with the current PS5's capabilities, this might not feel like a must-have unless you have cutting-edge visuals or you play on a 4K TV. How does it stack up against its competitors like the Xbox Series X or high-end gaming PCs? The PS5 Pro closes the gap with more processing power and improved visual fidelity, offering a middle ground between regular consoles and a full-blown PC setup. So, is it worth the upgrade? If you're serious about gaming and crave the best visuals and performance, then yes, the PS5 Pro is an absolute powerhouse. But casual gamers may not notice much of a difference to justify the upgrade. Either way, the future of gaming looks bright with PS5 Pro. Right to level up your gaming experience? Let us know in the comments if you are upgrading to the PS5 Pro or sticking with your current setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and gaming news. See you next time.